Motorola shows off a smartphone concept with a rollable screen that changes size. Motorola, a Lenovo company, has demonstrated its rollable concept smartphone, which can change the device's screen size with the push of a button. The smartphone was unveiled at the Lenovo Tech World event, showcasing the company's future device experiments. Motorola has now joined the ranks of companies such as Oppo and TCL in showcasing their rollable display smartphones. Even LG was working on a similar device before exiting the smartphone market last year. Motorola's partner company Lenovo, on the other hand, is displaying a laptop with a rollout display. The rollable phone concept is a 5-inch OLED screen that can be expanded to a 6.5-inch screen with the click of a button when the device is unfolded. When you press a button again, the display shrinks to a smaller size. The home screen, videos, and other content adjust to the size of the screen. Motorola already sells foldable smartphones under the Razr brand, and the company recently announced the 3rd generation Razr, which is currently only available in China. Making smartphones with rollable displays is extremely difficult, so it will be years before we see a commercial version of smartphones with rollable displays available for purchase on the market.